Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix maximum number of attempts reached on TikTok. If you are using TikTok and you're trying to log in with your account, but you're facing the issue that whenever you try to log in with your account with your phone number, you get a message that the maximum number of attempts reached. So let's see how can you fix the issue. You just have to uninstall your TikTok app, then reinstall it, but you can also try to clear cache or clear storage, or you can also try to offload your app if you're on your iPhone, then open your TikTok back again. After that, tap on the profile option here, and here you can see that I have not logged in with my account. Now you'll get a login page. You doesn't have to select any option from here. You have to tap on this question mark in the top right or any top left corner whenever you want. You get this. You just have to tap on this option. First, you have to take a screenshot of that screen that whenever you try to sign in with your phone number, you have entered your phone number and you get the message. So you just have to take a screenshot on that screen, then tap on this question mark option, and here select other option from here, and now tap on need more help. And here you have to select some submit a ticket for email spot, so select that option, and here just wait for some moments, and then you have to add your issue. Here you have to select a topic. So for example, I'm going to select account access, and then add a category. If you want to add category, here you have to select login issue, and then select, or you have to enter your username here. So how can you enter? You just have to enter this at the rate of option first. Once I've entered up at the rate, you have to enter your username which you have in your TikTok ID. After entering this, sign up with your date and birth. So you have to enter your date and birth. Once I've entered your date of birth, scroll down here the option of linked email or phone number. If you have any linked email or any phone number with your TikTok account, you can also add it here. So if your account is created on email, add your email, or if it's on phone number, add your phone number here, and then you can enter your device here on which you use your TikTok account regularly. So after that, you can also enter your linked account if you have any linked account with your TikTok account, and then additional information you just have to add your contact email. You have to add an active email here on which TikTok will respond to you, and here you have to add some details. You just have to write a short paragraph in which your issue will be discussed. So after doing that, you just have to tap on this upload option, then select photo library, or you can also choose it's the option of choose file. I'm going to select the photo library from here, and you have to select the screenshot which you have taken, and after that also tick or mark these both options, and then tap on this submit option here. And once you have done all the step, your issue or your report will be submitted to TikTok. They will fix your issue in up to 24 hours. And after 24 hours, you just have to retry, and you will be able to access your account or log in with your account on TikTok. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.